Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this home office desk that I got sent out to preview. This is the box. It is a mid-size box. And let's just open it and see what it's inside. Okay, so here are all the pieces of this home office desk that I got. Here are all the tools that we will need to put it together. And these are the legs and all the other parts that we will need to put it together, okay? Also, here is the manual of instructions. Now let's just build it up and see how easy or difficult it is to put together. As I am noticing, we won't need any other tools other than the ones that we have included here. Okay, so the first thing is to make sure that we have all the pieces that we are going to need is to put everything how it is supposed to be like displayed in this picture. So this is what I'm gonna do.
See, this home office desk is really easy to assembly. You have very few parts and you have everything that it's included here, everything that you will need to put it together, it will be available, okay? So you don't need an extra screwdriver right here. You just need to put all the pieces right here. Most of them you can just screw them with your hand, and then once you have done that, you can use the screwdriver that it includes and just adjust, make sure that it's very well adjusted, and add a little bit of extra strength there. Okay, so here is how we are doing it, and everything is super clear on the manual of instructions. This is how you will be adding the top part, and you can adjust the height to your liking.
Okay, so here is our desk. It is made of wooden and it has these parts so you can actually add here some cables and connect it to the power outlet. Also here you can add maybe a pen or something. This is the height. It is it is high enough to use it as a standing desk, at least for me, or you can adjust that level right there and just move it down one circle. And this way, one hole, and this way it will be shorter. Okay. The size, it's very neat. The colors, I like the colors, you can see. And it was pretty easy to assembly. And you can move it around, roll it. Of course, this is carpet, but you can also have the brakes to stop rolling it out. Okay, it looks really nice. Let's just start using it. It's very sturdy. It doesn't move a lot. And you can work from home using it like this, or you can just go to your, just adjust this part on the bottom so you can have it in a lower position and work like this.
Use these as a standing desk as I am showing up right here, but also you can adjust the height for using it while you are seated. Okay, so you can use these in your bedroom or maybe in your home office or whatever you like. You are doing some work and you can actually put this away. It is very easy to move with these rolling wheels.